yeah, so we got the Fizz Pro here. And this is the packaging. It says high speed, high control, high response, chroma RGB, dust proof, box reds. The back, not much. It just kind of says the features. It's a Bluetooth keyboard with 2.4 gigahertz of Bluetooth essentially. And it says 3 modes of gaming keyboard. I'm not quite sure what that means, but we'll take a look at it.
Quick and speedy unboxing of the actual keyboard. It comes with a normal USB-A cable, it's not braided, and it also comes with a keycap puller and a key switch puller, along with 4 Otemo red switches just for testing out, and replacement. I'll also be comparing it to the K530 within this video, which is another wireless keyboard made by Red Dragon, which is actually $80, so it'd be interesting to compare. Sound test time.
But yeah, this is the first typing test on here. So yeah, this is very nice. I really do like the sounds of this. I think this, I don't know, I'm pretty sure this is ABS, but it kind of feels like PBT because it has like this textured feeling to it. Honestly, it does feel really nice. These keycaps, really nice. Razer, I just called them Razer. Red Dragon has improved their keycaps a lot. Okay, let me take a look at these stabs. So this is the K530 sound. Modded, obviously. So the actual stabs, I adjusted. I used the tape mod, so they sound a little bit better than they once did. Like you can kind of hear, right? Compared to the stock. But yeah, even then, wow. Yeah, this just feels nicer, honestly. It's lighter than this one, and they're both wireless. This one's a little bit heftier. But yeah, honestly, these feel way better. The keycaps have improved. The actual key switches, they feel really nice.
I've done a very good job on these stabs here. One problem is that the spacebar sounds so good that it sounds inconsistent across the board because the keys sound, you know, a little bit more hollow than the stabs do. Yeah, and the actual weight of it is a little bit heavy. Especially with the stabs. So, for example, the backspace is kind of hard to press. It kind of feels like there's cheap foam in there, which is unfortunate. Yes, so the K530 is actually using Otemo browns, so that's something you should keep in mind in terms of the actual sound. The actual board itself is quite light, and the RGB isn't as good as I once thought. Compared to something like the K530, it is a little bit less bright than what I'd expected. Kind of looks like a bento box, to be honest, with that red inside and the black outside. And one thing I do like about it is that it comes with a dongle, just because some computers don't have Bluetooth within them, so I think the dongle was a good idea. But that just means that you can't use it on like something like a tablet or a phone, so that's something else you should keep in mind. And the perky RGB is kind of finicky in my opinion. It turns off every time you want to change it, so Yes, that's something you should keep in mind. The actual wireless abilities are very good. I did some typing tests and I didn't see any lag, so that's great. The battery life is a little bit subpar compared to something like the K530, but it's just because it's lighter, so they can't fit as much of battery as they did on the K530. So I feel like you could put more foam in there to make it sound better, but I personally didn't do that just because it sounds really good stock. So yeah, that's basically my review of this. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And yeah, I will have some more upcoming videos. I hope you check those out. If you like this video, please check out my Razer Huntsman TE video that will probably be listed at the end of the video. Okay, see you later.